So hey everyone, what's going on? So my name is Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video and on this channel, and I will be documenting about my Forex journey throughout the years. Uh, it includes my trading strategy, weekly analysis, live streamings, the wins and the losses, and all this kind of stuff. So about me is that I've been trading for 3 to 4 years, and I've been, to be honest, losing a lot in the first 2 to 3 years. But the last year finally was the time that I've actually become profitable. And how I become profitable is very simple. It's changing my strategy that I understand, which is very simple, and that's all. Yeah, I have actually learned all the kind of concepts there are in the market, which is you name it, like ICT, SMC, EMS, all this kind of stuff. But the only thing that actually works is discipline and consistency. Consistency. That's all it works for me. And making your strategy very, very simple with a very, very short lessons. And if you want to ask me that what is the biggest lesson that I have ever learned is that trading only works when you keep it simple and stay disciplined. So if you want to talk about my concepts are relatively very simple. I think everyone knows this, but mostly people still lose a lot of money even they know this. So the first one is the liquidity sweeps. I can show you guys examples later about my trades. SBR, which is support become resistance, and RBS is the vice versa, and change of characters throughout the market. So if you want me to give you examples, I can give you guys example. Although the market is quite ranging in the if you see 1 hour, it's just ranging, and the only way to trade is actually just support and all this kind of stuff. So the first trade that I took for the week, no, for the week I took the first trade here, which was also the liquidity sweep. So the market was quite ranging after doing the all-time high. So I was waiting that the whoever put the sales here, their stop losses are above here. So it took the SLs of there, it makes a red candle, and I was straight into it. Although it gave me only 150 pips on the 80 pips SL. I know 80 pips SL was very big, but my lot size was very small. Usually I trade on like 0.6, 0.7. I'm not a trader like 8 lot or 10 lot. So I was trading on like 0.10 here, and it actually made me 150 pips, which is very good. So that second trade that I actually took was here. After the red candle, I straight away jump into with 50 pip SL on the SL on the above candle, and it just gave me SL in like 4 to 5 candles. The third trade I took was actually an SL. It gives me 50 pips, and after that, right, not actually SL. It was my mistake that I should have put my SL a bit like 80 to 90 pips, but I was like a bit uh scared, and yeah. And the last trade that I took for the week for the Friday was actually insane. So the only thing was about here, I drew the support, and it also kind of works as a order block, if you guys know that. It taps into it. It sweep the liquidity of the last two high swings. It tapped into right the Asia level, and boom, it just it just actually went like 800 pips, but I only managed like 150 pips, which is very good for my account. So that was all my trades on my concepts. So on this channel, I will be sharing my real trades and my thought process and how I approach the market for the next week. If you want to grow as a trader and follow a real and transparent journey, feel free to subscribe, guys, and join me for free. It is all free to subscribe and like the channel. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.